In the realm of outdoor pursuits and survival challenges, a resilient and dependable watch is a must-have. Your ideal timepiece not only ensures precise timekeeping, but also aids in navigation and altitude measurement. With a plethora of choices in the market, finding the perfect watch can be a daunting task. To help you out, we've compiled a list of the 7 best, toughest watches for survival and outdoor use. The Timex Expedition Grid Shock is one tough watch made for rough conditions. It's built to resist shocks and has a super tough crystal. You can check the time in the dark with the Indiglo night light, and the dual mode alarm can buzz or make a sound to get your attention. Perfect for outdoor activities, it has a 100-hour chronograph, 24-hour countdown timer, and 3 daily alarms. With features like 3 time zones, a hydration alarm, and the option for 24-hour or 12-hour time, it's the best buddy for adventures. Plus, it shows the date, month, and day to keep you on track. Ready for outdoor fun? The Timex Expedition Grid Shock is your go-to. The G-Shock MUDMASTER GWG2000 is the ultimate watch for outdoor lovers. It's super tough with a durable carbon fiber bezel. The new mud-resistant buttons keep out dust and dirt, and its design is inspired by professional gear. The dial is easy to see outdoors, and it lights up for low-light situations. Plus, it comes with cool extras like a digital compass, barometer, altimeter, and thermometer, perfect for any adventure. Whether you're braving tough conditions or exploring nature, the G-Shock MUDMASTER GWG2000 is the watch for you. The Luminox Master Carbon Seal Automatic is a tough and reliable watch officially approved by the United States Department of the Navy. It's designed based on the needs of the toughest naval commandos and has been refined and tested for over 2 decades. With features like 20 ATM water resistance, unbreakable sapphire glass, a protected crown, and a Carbonox Plus watch case, it's built to endure any situation. Thanks to Luminox light technology, you can always see the time, even in the dark, using tiny microgas light sources. This watch is 45 mm in diameter, 14 mm thick, with a stainless steel screw-in case back and a red rubber band, making it the perfect choice for anyone who needs a reliable timepiece in the toughest conditions. The Marathon GSAR is the go-to watch for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals. It has a self-winding automatic 26-joule Marathon M2 movement in a tough 316L stainless steel case, ready for submersion up to 30 ATM. With tritium gas tubes and Marigot for glowing features, this 41 mm diameter watch ensures you can see the time even in challenging conditions. Whether you're on a search and rescue mission or exploring the outdoors, the Marathon GSAR is the perfect companion. Its reliable design and strong movement will keep you on time, no matter what challenges you face. The Tactic 7 PRO Edition is the ultimate smartwatch for outdoor adventures. This tough military-inspired watch is built to withstand any environment. It has a 1.4-inch solar-powered display, a durable black DLC-coated stainless steel case, and a tough black PV-coated steel back cover. Specialized tactical features include Jumpmaster mode, waypoint projection, stealth mode, and a kill switch for user data and location security. With advanced features like promoted topo active and scheme maps, navigation sensors, and multi-GNSS and multi-band support, you can navigate the outdoors with precise accuracy. The Tactic 7 PRO Edition offers more than 30 built-in sports apps, measuring endurance, stamina, and performance metrics. With its advanced features and government-grade tactics, the Tactic 7 PRO Edition is the ultimate choice for outdoor and survival situations. The Suntow Traverse Alpha is made for outdoor lovers, whether you're surviving, fishing, or hunting. Packed with features, this watch helps you handle any situation. Navigation is a breeze with GPS and GLONASS, ensuring you never lose your way. It's versatile too, providing sunrise and sunset times, moon phases, and automatic shot detection for outdoor enthusiasts. If you find yourself in a survival pinch, the red backlight and night vision compatibility help you see in low light. Whether you're out in the wild surviving, fishing, hunting, or just exploring, the Suntow Traverse Alpha has everything you need. The Casio G-Shock DW5600E1V is a tough and reliable watch made to handle the roughest outdoor and survival situations. Its strong resin build and shock-resistant design make it the perfect companion for adventurers who need durable gear. Tested under extreme conditions, this watch is trusted by outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Casio's engineers worked hard to create a watch that can handle nature's forces and the challenges of outdoor life. The 5600 E1V has become a go-to tool for outdoor lovers. With its 200-meter water resistance and sturdy resin build, this watch is ready for any adventure. If you want a tough watch that can keep up with your outdoor and survival activities, the Casio G-Shock DW5600E1V is the one for you. Get ready to explore with the top 7 toughest watches of 2024. As you step into your next adventure, remember, time is on your side. Pick a watch that can handle the wild and be your reliable buddy in every survival test. Cheers to conquering new horizons.